There's waterfalls on the H3. Like I came out of the tunnel and like there's fucking waterfalls on next to me, and I was like, holy fucking shit! I almost crashed. But I want to see if there's gonna be waterfalls on the Like. I'm gonna get off near Kaneohe. Like, oh, I can turn on my windshield wipers. It's raining. I shouldn't be making a video, but whatever. Okay. Oh. That's a damn good reason to go slow. They should have said waterfalls on next to you, reduce speed instead of water on the highway, but whatever. I mean, that'll do. It was really fucking beautiful. Oh, that was so gorgeous. I haven't seen waterfalls come down those crevices in a while. It was so fucking gorgeous. Okay. All right, 63 North, Like. Oh, really? Okay. Am I gonna see him? I think I see. I know I don't. Shit. This is so beautiful. I fucking love living here. Yes, I do see one. Yes, waterfalls. I hope you can see them. They're so beautiful, man. Wow. 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 Look at that.